My name is Brahma Kamoko, aka Buko Maku. I have the Metna toughness. I have the my own English. This is not the correct English, but it's a Buko English. We are here to enjoy ourselves, to make Obapa, ladies and gentlemen. All the ladies are beautiful. I come here to talk my own English. When the man saw snake into the bush, he can never turn into the python to swallow that snake. The only foolish dog ran after the flying bird. Woman without no man is like a river without a source. Empty calabash cannot sink in the river. The bird is beautiful, but always elect. It be dirty. Anything you want, if you get, there is no beggars on the road. This is my own English. I tell you, my peoples, I'm crazy and I have the mental toughness. I'm the fantastic and the romantic. I'm the good bossa in the world. Nobody, no defeat, Buko Maku. This is my ladies, my mother and my sisters and my friends. I love two people today. I'll call their name today. Money Abajajaga first, Dibo second, Dibo third, Dibo Kanomi. We are all creativity here. You funny. This is Buko Maku. Nyamiaga Fua. I can't call you to a call dressing, call shoe no. The way you walking, the way you shaking your waist, everything, we judge it here. Clap for Buko Maku, my people. Oui,